Hi, this is Barney from the Dougherty Garden again, and on this video we're showing you 4 different ginger color plants that I have received from Ruth from her Ruth's Tropical Garden. It's a nice addition. Right now I just finished potting them up from a smaller pot up to a 1-gallon pot in order to help generate some root systems. From looking at them, I'm thinking about they have a very healthy root system, so I just want to make them even more bigger and see what else I get there, so this way I can help share, or even members interested in buying and selling these things, so we'll see about that. But the first one left is the orange. It's the first one to bloom, and that was the orange one. The next one is the, let me see, white. That's that one right there next to the orange one. And the next smaller one is a red ginger, and over there is the pink ginger, so the last one. So this is the first for me. I had ginger, well actually one of my boys had a ginger plant in his backyard. I think it was an orange one, but that was many years ago. But right now we have them all in the Dougherty Garden, compliments from Ruth's Tropical Garden, where the majority of the plants donations all come from Ruth. So what I did was I potted one up, and I had one little, as you can see all in the middle there, a few little cuttings that fell off, and I just put them in the pot. They develop roots okay. If not, more soil for the pot. Alright, and then on the lower left hand side there's my son brought me Bismarckia seeds he had come across. So we have a bunch of Bismarckia seeds there in addition to the ginger plants, 4 varieties of ginger. And there's a little Song of India over there. And this is my quasi nursery. It gets a lot of sun over in this location, so it gives me a chance to work on the plants and also check them out and see how things are growing. So far the orange are very colorful. I love the little colors, variety of the orange colors. They're very pretty. I have a different concept of what the ginger looks like, one memory of one I saw many years ago. But once the plant matures, we'll get a better idea of what the orange, white, red, and pink will look like. And thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. I'd like to get the attention. I get attention, YouTube gets attention. YouTube gets attention, we all get a little happy. So, and also, while you're there, please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the attention we can get. And like I say, I like to do it to brag to the grandkids, to tell them I got people that watch my videos. Thank you for stopping by. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.